It's another busy week for retail earnings. You got Tiffany, Best Buy reporting tomorrow, Dick's Sporting Goods on Wednesday, Dollar Tree and Dollar General, and Lululemon on Thursday. So joining us for a look ahead here, Seema Shah, Bloomberg Intelligence, a senior consumer and retail analyst. Seema, good to see you.
Good to see you as
well.
well.
I'm interested in particular in Tiffany's of what it's going to tell us about China, international demand, as well as the high-end consumer. What are we expecting?
So we would like to see, I guess, ongoing strength. China was very strong for Tiffany in Q1, so like to see continued strength in that region, but also commentary on how the other regions did. It will tell you how the Chinese tourist is traveling. And particularly for the Americas, which is their largest division, what are we seeing in the local market in terms of the luxury U.S. consumer?
It feels like when the consumer was struggling, sort of the lower end goods started to do better versus the higher end goods in Tiffany's. What are you expecting in terms of that product shift?
They saw a rise in engagement rings or engagement jewelry in Q1, and I think they're really focused on being more innovative with their product, attracting a millennial customer, having sort of a more revitalized marketing program, and they're starting to see traction with that. However, that will weigh on operating margins in the near term as they continue to, invest in omni-channel and other initiatives.
You mentioned China. How much of Tiffany's business is China right now?
Approximately, I would say mid-teens. They don't break it out specifically, but
and how much of their growth?
I would say it's a large portion of their growth. Yes.
So then we're looking ahead, if you just take a look at the broad retail landscape, come inside the Bloomberg, it's U.S. retail sales in the 12-month moving average, holding up. Yes. What are we going to learn, say, from the names this week, like Tiffany's, into the retail holiday season? So
you're going to get a wide range of customer demographics through these earnings. You'll see what the luxury consumer does. As you go to the dollar stores, you'll see how the low end is doing. And specifically category-wise, you might hear commentary on how back to school and back to college was, which is often sort of gives you an indication of how strong holiday is going to be. So you'll see a wide variety of where consumers are spending and also how the shift to omni-channel and e-commerce continues.